Hey, this is Bird's Words. Welcome back. IPR kit, seals, screen that I need to install my IPR. That's the part number. This is OEM forward parts. Alrighty, we're taking off the IPR to check the seals. Basically, all I did was use a crescent, one like this. I did kind of modify this to fit on there, and that way when you do put that on, you don't have to put on so much pressure, but just enough. If you can't get it with that, I'm pretty sure you can get it with that one. Might have to cut it, but modify it to fit under here, but it's really no problem. I'll show you, that way you can see what it looks like in case you have to get to this point. But see the way, got a little bit more leverage there. So you see how I can get in there, no problem. So just gotta give you a tip if you need to use something to take out that IPR. So let me take it off and I'll come right back in. All right, we did take off the IPR, but honestly, it looks pretty good. Maybe they're too flat, I don't know. But we're gonna change them out just to be on the safe side. Just look like there is a little bit of damage, but I don't know. Well, let's change the seals real quick. So let's go and get a pick. Find a good. Oh, yeah. Whoa. We'll see what the difference is. All right, there's all three. Just gonna clean it off. Get a red rag, mechanic. There it is. Took off all three seals. Don't feel too bad, but feel real flat. Kind of hardish a little bit, little hard, a little bit. Let's see the new ones we get. Part number. Get my scissors. book instructions. See what the difference is between these, because these here were actually from O'Reilly's. So looks a little thinnish. What do you think? So this one here, instructions. Tells you how to install this. Tells you where these gaskets go. Screws. OEM. So we're gonna lubricate this a little bit. Lubricate these O-rings. Put this one in. Get my pick right here. I just want to work it down, work it downwards. Just work it all the way down. Once you get it down, that's good. Got the black one. Just go down. Lubricate that. Lubricate this one. Now that I'm looking at this, there it is. That's basically how it says to put it on. Pictures. You can see the coloring. So I'm gonna put this back on and I'll get right back to you. Thank you.